3, 2, 1, start. Let's go.
Hi Tony, welcome to Case 2. So our project is the 30.6.0 app. It's about an app that you can give away what you have and you don't use anymore. So basically you have a computer in your home that you don't use anymore and you want to donate for someone. You can just put in the app, you become a member, you pay €1 for the membership, and you can put it there. And then another person that needs a computer, maybe a kid for a school project, can get the computer for free, for only, of course, €1 membership. So that's the main idea of our app. The vision is all people have what they need in a few clicks. Mission is help people to get what they want for €1. So it's basically what I said. You can donate whatever you want, and you can have whatever you want in the app. So about the resources, I'm gonna ask Andrada to talk about it.
Yeah, about the resourcing, we are requested to have 5 resources. After all the calculation and WBS being made, we decided that we need 2 developers, and because of the over-allocating activities and of course because of the resources. That's why, this being said, we have 2 developers, 1 coder and also he's a designer, 1 tester, and of course the project manager. I will let my colleague Valeria to speak about WBS.
Hello Tony, so we decided that our main WBS positions are going to be like this. Of course we're going to start with marketing, and this one is going to be outsourced. Then we're going to have construction, which is also going to be outsourced. And then we have the product. So the main idea of the product is our software that all of our clients are going to use. Then we have the wrap-up, and then we have the project managers, of course. So the idea is that the lowest level of our WBS is going to have 5 positions. If I'm talking about product, the main idea is technology, as I already said, and then base, select, and install the platform. Then we're going to test it, and then we're going to customize it. After that, we're going to develop application information, do the graphic design, develop the parametric coding, analyze functions, develop functions, design functions, and everything that is related to our product. I mean, if we're talking about software, we have a lot of positions in our WBS that are related to software. So it's very important also to manage the categories, so our users are going to efficiently use our app, because as you saw, this is our vision and mission. So when we go to wrap up, the next process is to collect data, document the works on function, create a guide. Of course, lessons learned is a very important point, and final test. So I think that the final test is going to take the longer, and then our app is finally going to be born. So the next colleague of mine is going to introduce the next position.
Hi Tony, and anyone in the future who want to watch this great video and our work. Okay, so now I'm going to talk about the cost and the duration of our project. The cost because we just in charge of the application, so the total cost for the app is just about 21,000. But the problem is come from the construction company and the marketing company. The construction company has the fucking high cost is about 75,000. Is unacceptable. But you said this accepted, so it's okay for us. And the marketing, we assume they didn't put the cost yet, but we assume that they will spend about 20,000 euro. So the total cost is raising to 116,000. So I hope we will have some way to revise this later. And the duration is also the same. When we do the first draft, we have this 1, 5, and 7 days. But when we do the EVM, thanks to your EVM technique, we see that to complete our project, we need more than 1, 5, and 7. We need 1 night and 2 days. So it's going to raise a bit, but I believe we're going to work it out. Everything is going to be fine. So thank you, and please with our
Thank you
team.
for watching. If you have any questions, don't be afraid to send us any email, or if something is missing, we are happy to give you all the information.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.